Discover 13 amazing coconut oil benefits for health. Hey there, nutrition enthusiasts. Ready to dive into the incredible world of coconut oil? I've got 13 mind-blowing benefits coming your way. But before we get started, if you're as excited as I am, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more nutrition insights. Let's roll. Quick reminder, folks, this video is for educational purposes only. While coconut oil has its perks, it's no substitute for professional health advice. Always consult your healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Now, let's get into the good stuff. Ever wondered why coconut oil has been a wellness buzz? Well, get ready to be amazed. Did you know that coconut oil isn't just for cooking? It's a superfood with 13 incredible benefits for your overall health. Let's uncover the secrets. Benefit 1, Quick Energy Boost. Imagine having a quick and efficient energy source at your fingertips. Coconut oil, packed with MCTs, can provide just that. These medium-chain triglycerides are rapidly converted into energy, giving you a natural and sustained boost throughout the day. Benefit 2, Heart Health. Now, let's talk heart health. Contrary to the bad rap saturated fats often get, the lauric acid in coconut oil might actually improve your heart health by increasing good cholesterol levels. It's like a heart-friendly superhero in a jar. Benefit 3, Skin Savior. Transitioning to our skin, coconut oil works wonders. From moisturizing to reducing inflammation, its antimicrobial properties can help with various skin conditions. Say hello to a natural glow. Benefit 4, Hair Nourishment. Who doesn't want luscious locks? Coconut oil isn't just a kitchen staple, it's your hair's best friend. Dive into the benefits of coconut oil for hair. From deep conditioning to combating dandruff, it's a game changer. Benefit 5, Digestive Harmony. Picture this, your digestive system operating smoothly like a well-oiled machine. Coconut oil, with its anti-inflammatory properties, can aid digestion and potentially reduce issues like bloating and discomfort. It's like giving your gut a tropical vacation. Benefit 6, Weight Management. Now, let's tackle the topic of weight management. Believe it or not, incorporating coconut oil into your diet might assist in shedding those extra pounds. The MCTs can increase calorie burning and promote a feeling of fullness. It's like having a supportive weight loss companion. Benefit 7, Brain Boost. Switching gears to the brain, coconut oil may have cognitive benefits. Some studies suggest that the MCTs in coconut oil could provide a quick and efficient source of energy for the brain, potentially enhancing cognitive function. It's like a mini fuel for your brain cells. Benefit 8, Immune Support. Our immune system needs all the help it can get, especially in challenging times. Coconut oil's antimicrobial and antiviral properties may contribute to overall immune support. It's like having a shield against unwanted invaders. Benefit 9, Anti-Inflammatory Properties. Inflammation, the silent troublemaker behind many health issues. Coconut oil's anti-inflammatory properties might help in keeping inflammation at bay. It's like having a natural firefighter for your body's inflammatory challenges. Benefit 10, Oral Health. Ever thought about your oral health while scooping coconut oil? Oil pulling, a traditional practice, involves swishing coconut oil in your mouth. This might help in reducing harmful bacteria and promoting oral hygiene. It's like a tropical spa day for your mouth. Benefit 11, Blood Sugar Regulation. Maintaining steady blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health. The MCTs in coconut oil could potentially assist in regulating blood sugar levels, offering a sweet solution for those concerned about glucose control. It's like having a blood sugar stabilizer in your pantry. Benefit 12, Joint Health. Joint issues bothering you? Coconut oil's anti-inflammatory properties might provide relief for achy joints. It's like giving your joints a soothing tropical massage from the inside. Benefit 13, Antioxidant Boost. Last but not least, let's talk about antioxidants. Coconut oil contains vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that may help combat oxidative stress and free radicals in the body. It's like having a shield to protect your cells from environmental stressors. If you're finding value in these insights, hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments. And remember, this video is a guide, not a replacement for professional advice. Now, let's keep going. And there you have it, 13 incredible coconut oil benefits for your overall health. If you enjoyed this comprehensive guide, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow health enthusiasts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.